How did a toll bill go from a few dollars to over $1,000? Local family has a court date because of an unpaid bill. So how did the amount get so high so fast, and could it happen to you? Well, 10 on your side's Brandi Cummings spent the day trying to find out what's going on here. And what is going on here, Brandi?
Well, you know what, Chris? How many of us have ever gotten a bill for a small amount of money and you just put it to the side? Well, tonight we have a warning. No matter how small the bill, pay attention to the instructions, especially if you've ever traveled over the Jordan Bridge. One family learning that lesson the hard way.
Stacks of bills cover the kitchen table at the O'Connor house. Not utilities, not credit cards, unpaid tolls.
I don't understand how they can charge you like every 7 to 10 days another $20 when it says you have 30 days to pay the bill.
Natalie and Jeffrey O'Connor are furious that they have to pay excessive fees on top of their Jordan Bridge toll bill. In all, they owe more than $1,900, $1,600 in fees alone.
I don't understand it. If they say it's only $4 for a plate, and then they do a lot of administrative fees, why the administrative fees are so high?
If you've ever driven over the bridge and you didn't have an Easy Pass, you've probably got one of these in the mail. But check out this amount due, $390. Even though this bill says there's a previous balance, Natalie says she doesn't remember getting one before it. On the back, what she calls the biggest problem, a $20 late fee on a $4 toll charge.
All I did was call them and ask them about the fees and everything, and they said that's part of the billing system. That's the way they bill.
But it wasn't that the O'Connors didn't want to pay the bill. Natalie says last year their family went through hard times. Her mom died. Her house needed serious repair. They had a garage fire. The family had a vehicle repossessed and just recently finished papers to get their house out of foreclosure. Her husband is 100% disabled, and right now, she's not working.
I'm just upset about the whole situation that I have to go to court. Now I have to explain to the court why I can't pay these fees.
The O'Connors are scheduled to be in court next month, but in the meantime, they're exploring the option of filing for bankruptcy because of the toll bills and others they can't afford to pay. Now, the Jordan Bridge offices are closed today, but I did speak to manager Kevin Crum. He actually just sent me this email with a statement. He says they don't take everyone to court, only the worst offenders. He says the O'Connors were first invoiced in March 2013. They have 125 unpaid toll charges. Crum also told me the company is willing to work with families who are dealing with financial hardship. We did give the O'Connors information so they can work with the company to pay their debt. I'm Brandi Cummings, 10 on your side.